To get started with ordering on DHgate, open a web browser and type in the website's address. Once on the site, you can browse the various options, including China wholesale products and online shopping from China suppliers. If you're new to the site, you'll need to create an account by clicking the register option. Once registered, you can begin searching for items to purchase. The website will display various options, including $60 off for new users, messages, orders, and favorites. To place an order, simply choose an item, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. You can also buy now by clicking on the respective option and adding a payment method. After checking out, your order will be placed, and you can track its status in the orders section. This section will be empty if you haven't placed any orders yet. The checkout process is straightforward. Add a payment method, and your order will be confirmed. If you need help with creating an account or have other questions, there are resources available to guide you through the process. Overall, ordering on DHgate is a relatively simple process that involves searching for items, adding them to your cart, and completing the checkout process.